it's Mrs. Beals, and we are starting graphing. I love graphing because really it's math, but you're drawing pictures all day. So that's kind of fun. So the first part of our graphing unit, we're just going to work with tally marks. And you guys have been doing tally marks forever, so I won't spend a whole lot of time on it, but it's important that we're able to read the tally marks and we're able to answer questions about it. So let's look at our tally chart right here. It says, Don owns a popular hot dog stand. His customers love his, let me turn the volume up. I hope you can hear me. His customers love his hot dogs. The tally chart shows how many hot dogs were sold each day. Use the information from the tally chart to answer the questions. Let's kind of look at it. So tally marks is labeled right here, so we know anything underneath this is our tallies. Okay, the day of the week is labeled here over at this side. Okay, so we know that each mark is worth 1, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is worth 5. Okay, so Monday is going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then there's 2 more, 26, 27. So Monday has 27. Let me make my marker skinnier here. 27. All right, let's count Tuesday. 5, 10, 15. Let's count Wednesday. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Thursday, 5, 10, 11. Friday is 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. Saturday is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And then Sunday is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. All right, whenever I'm reading a graph, I always write these numbers out here after I count because it'll make answering the questions a lot easier because a lot of my work's already done. So whenever you're answering problems about graphs, it's important that you write the number out here to the side too. All right, so let's start answering the questions. The first thing I want to do before we answer the questions is remind ourselves that with these graphs, we're either going to have to just read the graph, we're going to have to add some numbers together, or we're going to have to subtract. So that's 3 things we might do. We might just read the graph, we might have to add things together, or we might have to subtract things. So let's remind ourselves of our Gus the plus and Linus the minus. So remember, Gus the plus is a smart adding man. He gives to others whenever he can. Total, all together, in all is the sum. Both, combined, he sure is not dumb. So if you see words that show that you're putting things together, you're combining, it says both, in all, total, you know that that's going to be a Gus the plus move. But Linus the minus is here too. Remember, Linus the minus is a subtracting lad, always taking away. Oh, he is so bad. In his word problems, you lose and have less. He finds the difference, but will never confess. Remember, nothing is left. We have so few now. How many more things can Linus take? So I know when we're working with these graphs, guys, we could see adding words, we could see subtracting words, okay? Or it might just be asking us to read the graph. Let's do a few for practice. Let's look at this one. I'm going to change my pen to, let's do pink. How many hot dogs were sold on Tuesday? It's not asking me to add or subtract. It's just asking me to look at Tuesday. How many were sold on Tuesday? I already answered it, 15. Let's try 2. How many hot dogs were sold on Saturday? Just asking me about Saturday, which I've already done it. It's 39. How many more? Whoa. How many more hot dogs were sold on Sunday than Thursday? All right, guys. It's asking me about Sunday. Sunday is 35, and it's asking me about Thursday. Thursday is 11. So what do I do with that 35 and that 11? How many more? Is that Gus the plus or Linus the minus? How many more? Look, it's Linus the minus. So that tells me that I'm going to subtract 35 minus 11 to figure out the answer to how many more hot dogs were sold on Sunday than Thursday. So I'll do 35 and I'll subtract 11. 5 minus 1 is 4, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So how many more hot dogs were sold? 24 more hot dogs. Awesome! Linus the Minus tried to sneak in on us, but we saw him. How many more? Make sure you're circling just like I am. It'll help you solve. What day did Dawn sell the most hot dogs? Well, this is just asking me who had the most, so I look and see which one is farthest. Saturday is the farthest. So what day? Saturday. Saturday. Don't you guys love my neat handwriting? Oops. That's supposed to be Saturday. You all can do better than that. All right, try 5. What day did Dawn sell the least amount of hot dogs? Least means little. I'm just having to read the graph and find which one has the least. It looks to me like Thursday does. Okay. How many hot dogs were sold on Thursday and Friday? Does this and make you subtract or add? What do you think? I don't see and on here, but does and tell you you're putting together? Yes, and tells you you're putting together. So let me add and right here. Sorry, Gus, I'm just going to write and on here. So and means I'm putting together. How many hot dogs were sold on Thursday and Friday? Well, let me find Thursday and Friday. Do I care about Monday? No. Do I care about Tuesday? No. Do I care about Wednesday? No. Do I care about Thursday? Yes, I care about Thursday because it says on Thursday. Thursday has 11. Do I care about Friday? Yes. Do I care about Saturday? No. Do I care about Sunday? No. I only care about Thursday and Friday. And means putting together, so we're going to add. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. How many hot dogs were sold on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday? Oh my goodness, it doesn't say how many more, so it's not Linus the Minus. It just says how many, which just means count. How many were sold on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday? So these are, and remember, and means putting together. So I'm putting together Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Do I care about Monday? No. Do I care about Tuesday? Yes, I do. 15. Do I care about Wednesday? Yes, I do. 19. Do I care about Thursday? Yes, I do. 11. Do I care about Friday? No, that's not my problem. Do I care about Saturday? No, that's not my problem. Do I care about Sunday? No, that's not my problem. So let's add these up. I've got 9 plus 1 gets me 10, plus 5 more is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. 45. You notice that I don't do any of this in my head. Every single problem I write out and solve because it would be so sad if I knew how to answer this problem, but I just tried to do it in my head and made a silly mistake. You always, always, always use your scratch paper to write out the problem. I don't even care if you do it on the side of your regular paper, but you've got to write it down. If you do it in your head, you're going to make a silly mistake. All right. How many hot dogs were sold on the weekend? Well, we got to know what a weekend is. Anyone know what a weekend is? It's Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, when we're not at school. So, go away. Sorry. Okay. So, Saturday and Sunday is the weekend. So, it wants to know how many were sold on the weekend. So, I'm going to have to combine both of the weekend days, which is 39 plus 35. Remember, we do nothing in our head. We always do it on the paper. 9 plus 5 is 14. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 74. All right, guys, you just solved a lot of problems that came from a tally graph. I'm super proud of you. Remember, Gus the Plus and Linus the Minus can help you solve these problems. Great job, friends. I'm so proud of you.